Binder clip. So there are multiple ways that you can extrude this. So let's see, like that. You can do one of two things. You could offset this, okay, and do it really little. Let's do one. And offset this. If you go, it's hard to see it. I'll make it bigger so you can see it better. That should do it. Sorry, this is quick for me. Okay, so say I come in like this. If I go in, it should be fine. If I go out, either way. Okay, so I'm going to go out. So now all you would have to do if you wanted to extrude it as a solid entity would be to close it up. Okay, and then, oops, that's pretty ugly. Okay, looks fine. And then join all that up, make sure that's fine, and then you can extrude it. I don't even remember how big it is, but enter and it should extrude and say it's 3 inches. Ooh, that's not right. So if that's not right, remember you can always use press pull to pull a face if it lets you. It's not letting me, so I'm just going to go back. Remember, if something doesn't behave correctly, you can go back. So I didn't really make this to proportion, so I'm just going to do 6. Not quite right, but that's okay because I'm not looking at measurements, I'm just doing proportions. Okay, so this one is now a solid. So if I look at this, it's thin, but it's a solid. So I can cut it, and I don't have any issues with having to use surfaces to cut it. Okay, so that's a good thing. Now this one, what you can do also is once it is joined, which I think I joined it already, you can extrude it, okay? It's going to, or it should, if it behaves correctly, extrude as a line, okay? Do 6 again. And then what you can do is use your 3D modeling tools and go to solid. And if you go to solid, you should be able to thicken it. Okay, so I know this is a sheet right now, but it wants to be a solid and we want to make it a solid. So I'm going to select it, select my surface, enter, and I'm going to tell it 0.05. Okay, and that'll do it as well, as long as it's not crossing planes. Okay, you can do that. Okay, so the other thing I was going to show you was if you want to change planes, but I think I'm going to do that in a different video. Okay, so